Hey, sorry for the interruption on the first video, but I wanted to share with you the continuation of our first video. I guess my camera only records 20 some minutes, but okay. So anyways, so like I said, this is our mat for the one that you're going to use the 12 by 12 paper for, okay? This was like the small one that I showed you. Let me show you the example for that big one, because this is basically what we made just now. See? Here. And see? We open it up. Your map pages are here. Now, you can use some of the little papers that, like I showed you, that came, the frames and the tags, let's say on the bottoms of the papers. Well, this one's kind of big, you don't use that one, but let's say one. You want to put one here. See? There. So we would put one there. We could just easily take our white glue there. Make sure we put it on the right way. See? And you can use the paper pack, the stickers if you want, the frames and tags, and you'll be able to make at least 2 of these, and more if you decide to go the route of making them smaller, you know. This is the, let me show you, the sticker pack that comes with the paper, and oops, there went my glue. So let's say you got happy birthday, so let's go ahead and let me see how that looks. Oops, let me lower it down some. Not too bad. We could put a little bit of glue just to make sure that it doesn't peel up. A little extra adhesive, never hurt nobody. And we could put that right there. See, we have a happy birthday there. We can, now mind you, bear with me because I don't make too many tutorials, but I just wanted to share with you guys how I did those other ones so you can see. You also can take the little pop dots with, let's say you get the sticker pack, and put a couple pop dots on the back. Okay, bear with my kids in the background. See, you want to make sure that it's not going to indent itself, see? And if you are, if let's say you're not 100% sure on how you like that spine, you know, that's just how I am. You can put bling on there. You can put diamonds on there, pearls. Just take these guys off. And I always like to add my extra bit of glue on everything, just to make sure that it's not going to fall off with too much manhandling. Hold on, let me flip it over this way so I can see real quick. My little ice cream cone right here. See? See how it's coming together? And then you look here for something else, so he has another little treat here. There we go. See, and then you would, an example, you would put it here. You know, make it colorful. Throw some diamonds. Here would be some more 4x6 papers that you would cut and you would put on top of there so that you can put inside here for your mats. You know, you can cut them down to 4x6, 3x4s, 4x4s, 4x5s. You could even make a small booklet if you wanted to and stick it inside the pocket. You can leave it like this because once you have it scored very well, it will stay flat like this one because the weight will keep it down. See? You can put some an eyelet here and an eyelet here, and put some seam binding here, some ribbon. You don't want to put a heavy duty closure, or you can make a little what's it called, like a paper closure. Let's example. Move you guys all out of the way here. So let's say you decided to make a paper closure here and then here, and then add a little magnet there so it just kind of flips up and opens up for you however you like. But this is the basis. Once you know your basis, it's endless on everything else that you can do. But I just wanted to show you how this little part was made in case you didn't know how to make it, or if you're still learning on how to make albums. I just wanted to kind of share a little bit of, you know, I'm really enjoying them. I'm gonna make a couple of them. I have some graphic 45 papers that I only have a few sheets of, and I thought, well, this is a great project to make a couple of these and add the paper closures at the end. So I guess I'll show you guys that later. But you know, however you want to do those little books, you can. But I just thought, you know, hey, share the knowledge. And you can also ink the edges. I'm not sure if I inked this one. No, I didn't ink I inked this one. As you can see here. See, I inked it with some pine cone ink. This is pine cone from Versacolor pine cone. See? I love this brown. It's like a dusty brown, but see, so you can see again. So I can give you the measurements for the 6x6 and the 12x12. I haven't touched the 8x8 yet, but once I have the measurements for that one, remember, you just want to score what, 4 inches up, pretty much. So if it's 12x12, you want to score up to 9. If it's 6x6, you want to score at the 4.5. But yeah, that's it. So I hope this gave you an idea on how to put it together, and I hope you like it. And you guys take care, and thanks for watching my videos. I hope you were able to understand me. And take care, and happy New Year. Bye, y'all.